In this lesson, we will learn how to set a sliding effect on an HTML element. jQuery is having some built-in methods to achieve this. Let us first understand what is a sliding effect, and then we will see the methods with examples. Let's start. So sliding effect means increasing or decreasing the height of an element with the click of a button. Okay, so jQuery is having the following three built-in methods to achieve this. To slide down an HTML element, use the slideDown method. For sliding up, use the slideUp. And to provide the toggle effect, that means both the up and down effect on the click of a single button one by one, use the slideToggle method. Now we will see all these methods one by one and with their examples. Let us start with the slide down method. So for the slide down method, what we will do, we will slide down an HTML element. Okay, for that use the slide down method. We will be creating a div element and we will show the slide down effect on it. Let us see the example. So here we have our VS Code. We have created the following folder on the desktop for all our examples. For this lesson, let us create a new file. Right click, new file. Set the name. Let's say I'll set index11.html. Here it is. Now let us go to this and take the code from here so that we can add some more code. Right click, paste. Here it is, index11. Okay, let me close others. Okay, index11. So we have added jQuery using the jQuery CDN. Here it is. And our jQuery script will go inside this. Okay, no problem. At first we will set the div. I'll go here and I'll set, let's say, first the p tag so that we can mention. Click the below div to slide down. Okay. And now I'll set a div slide down by clicking here. And another div. This is a demo text. Okay. Let me set the ID using the ID attribute. Okay. Now let us style the div. So we will set the style here. Okay. First for both the divs, we will set the padding here with that the background color border for the div. Let me set the padding for both the divs. Let's say 15px. I'll align the text to the center using the text align property. Okay. Now the font size, you can change it accordingly. Background color, let's say I'll set orange, and the border. So this will get applied to both the divs because we have set both of them here. Okay, now for the first div, for the second div, that means my div. This will be visible when the following will be clicked. That means my div will be visible when the slide div will be clicked. Okay. Since this will be visible, this will be part of the slide down effect. I'll set display none here. That means by default it will be invisible. And let me set the font size also. When I'll run it, the things will be more clear. Okay, now let us set the jQuery script. On the click of what? I told you on the click of the following. Okay, so mention slide. It was having ID, so I'll mention hash slide. On the click of slide, what will happen? There will be a slide down effect on the my div. So mydiv dot slide down method. I told you we'll be using this method for the slide down effect. And within the parameter, you need to mention the number of seconds or it will be fast or slow as a parameter. So I'll set fast. That's it, complete, no error. File, save all, right click, open in default browser. So I'll click here and it will slide down. Just wait. Okay, it is not working because we forgot this. We forgot this hash div. Okay, file, save all. Right click, open in default browser. And the last thing, we forgot a comma here. That's it. File, save all, right click, open in default browser. Here it is. When I'll click on this div, there will be a slide down effect. Here it is. This is the demo text. Okay, so what we did, we clicked on, I told you we clicked on this, and after clicking, the following was visible. So this is how we can set the slide down effect using the slide down method. Now let us see the next method. Now guys, we will see how to work around the slide up method. This will do the opposite. That means this will slide up an HTML element and we'll be using the slide up method. We'll be showing the same div and we will perform the slide up effect on it. Let's see the example. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, index 12.html. Here it is. Now let me take the code from here, copy, right click, paste. Okay, so what we did, we performed the slide down effect. Now we will do the opposite. So let me change this slide up by clicking here. Okay, rest keep as it is. Now what we will do, we will keep the styles as it is, but obviously I hope now you know that for my div we will remove this because we are performing the opposite effect. Okay, so we want this to be visible so that when we will click here on the slide stuff, the below one will slide up. So I'll just remove this, rest keep as it is. And for the slide effect, now we have our slide up. Okay, and rest keep as it is. You can also change this to slow, okay, or the milliseconds, but what I'll do, I'll just keep it fast. Okay, so on clicking this, my div will slide up. On clicking this, my div will slide up. File, save all, right click, open in default browser. Okay, by default it is visible because we removed the display none. Now when I'll click here, it will slide up. This is a demo text div will slide up. Here it is. Okay, so we have shown the slide up effect using the slide up method. Now let us see the last method in which we will toggle. So guys, now we will toggle both the slide up and down effect using the slideToggle method. Toggle means to switch between up and down effects on the click of a single button one by one. If your elements are sliding down, you can slide up them using the slideUp method. And if the elements are sliding up right now, you can slide down them using the slideDown method. Both the slide up and down effect. Let's see the example to understand the concept. So guys, let us create a new file. Right click, new file, index13.html. Here it is. Let us take this code, right click, copy, right click, paste. Now we are setting the slide toggle. Click the below div to slide up and slide down. That means toggle effect. Okay, slide up / down by clicking here. Okay, we will click here and this will perform the slide up and slide down. For our style, we will keep the CSS styles as it is, no changes required. But here we will change it. On clicking the slide div, we will slide toggle. That means slide toggle. Obviously, I told you before, you can change the parameter to slow or let's say 1 second for 1000 millisecond, but let's say I'll keep it fast. Now on clicking the following div, the below one will toggle. Okay. Go to file, save all. Right click, open in default browser. Now here is the effect. I'll click here and it will slide up. Now I'll click here again, it will slide down, slide up, slide down. So this is how we achieved the slide toggle effect using the slide toggle method. So guys, we saw how we can easily slide an element using the slide down, slide up and slide toggle methods. Thank you for watching the video.